Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie and this is Winning with Winnie. So in today's video, I wanted to focus on a university in the United States called Northern Arizona University. So Northern Arizona University have three things that I think is very important. So right now they have free application. They also have, for some of their programs, they have no GREs required. And lastly, they have guaranteed funding opportunities available in the form of graduate assistantships. So let's look at all of those things. If you're ready, I am. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so for the first thing I mentioned is the free application. So right now, you can see on here, it says, welcome. We look forward to receiving your application to one of our graduate programs at Northern Arizona University. It says you'll receive special advantages when you apply, including a waived application fee, which the fee is currently $65 by entering the fee code. That's the fee code you enter. And it says this fee code is only available for new applicants. And it says that you will also be given a timely admission decision. So you complete this and you submit and then you get that free code. So that's the first thing. And look at how beautiful their campus is, y'all. Like, it's just incredible. All right, y'all. So in regards to assistantship, because I mentioned guaranteed funding opportunities, they have what's called tuition waivers. So it says that NAU tuition waivers are scholarships which pay for all or part of the student's tuition. It says that in order to be awarded a tuition waiver, you must be a full-time graduate degree seeking student and in good academic standing. And it says that graduate assistantships is a good way to fund your graduate education while also developing skills. So you perform things like teaching or research or service duties related to your program, and in return, you earn a stipend for your work. And it says that to be awarded a graduate assistantships, you must be a full-time graduate seeking, so you need to have at least a 3.0 GPA or higher. Alright, and it says all graduate assistants with an appointment of 10 or more hours per week are considered resident for tuition purposes. And then it talks a little bit about their graduate assistantship benefits. So there's 100%, if you're doing 20 hours a week, there's 100% tuition waiver, which excludes like university and programs fee. You have a waiver of the student health insurance premium, so that means you get free insurance, and then you also have a stipend as well. So this is wonderful. So they have teaching and research assistantships, and then they also have like non-teaching or non-academic rather assistantships, and I started looking into a little bit of some of them. So let's go. So this is for anyone who's interested in starting next year. So this is for the fall term, and it talks a little bit about the duties and the minimum qualifications you need to meet and preferred qualifications. And then for the benefits, so it's 100% tuition remission, a waiver of the health insurance, and a stipend for the spring term of $7,000. So that's awesome, and it gives you information about how to apply. So if you've already started your application process, or this is something you're interested in and you want to go to Northern Arizona University in the spring, like this is definitely a GA ship to consider. Let's see if we can click on the other ones that they have as well. We can close this tab. Let's see, maybe I mistakenly closed the wrong tab. Alright, so also like they have different programs like I was looking into. So they have communications, a lot of their programs, so some of them even have rolling admissions as well. So I would advise, I'm gonna put the link I'll put this link that we're reviewing in the description box, so you can go ahead and kind of review all the different programs that they offer. Like, see, a lot of it is like rolling admission, and they also say that they give like you'll hear back in a timely manner about your application. So definitely look into this university. And then for their graduate admission, they have like virtual information sessions. So if you're like interested in learning more about the university, you can come and you can talk to someone as well to kind of assist you through the process. And they have like different requirements that you need to kind of have or to kind of meet. So make sure that you review more information about them. So I hope that this is helpful. Northern Arizona University is a really good university, so it's definitely one you should consider. Bye, y'all.